EViD is our electronic poll book solution.
It's the sort of gateway to getting your ballot at the polling place. It decides whether you're eligible and determines what ballot style you should receive if you are eligible. And it allows capture of your signature and guides the poll worker through the process of checking the voter in so that they can get on to vote on the voting machine.
The current designs that we have are the EViD Edge, our tablet, and the EViDi, the Apple tablet. We are the only manufacturer in the US that has both a Windows and an Apple product. Now, all of the driver's license in the United States have a 2D barcode on it. Our EViD Edge and the EViDi are capable of scanning that, which is another ease of operation for the poll worker. They don't have to key in data and run the chance of pulling up the wrong voter.
And I think that now amounts to scans that are sub-second in pretty much every scenario I've observed.
Everything is designed to just make it as easy as possible for the voter to cast their vote and let their voice be heard.
I think you can't make it too easy to get people access to the polls. It's a challenging thing. People are busy. There's lots of exceptional circumstances that can come up. What continues to guide EViD is recognizing ways to make it quicker and easier for them to get their ballot and vote their ballot with the same level of secrecy that it's always provided.
We have a simplified process, which is essentially 3 Ps. Pop open the lid, plug it in, and process voters.
And the system tries to do things in phases and guide you through things with easy questions, so there's a lot of protection so that you don't inadvertently deliver the wrong ballot style or fail to capture a signature before letting the person go on to vote their ballot.
The poll workers, time and time again, are the ones, once they get the EViD, they love them. They're like, you can do anything, but don't take away my EViDs. I love them.
The customers are hugely instrumental on what we do because they're ultimately the boss. They are the ones that tell us what they need. We take every opportunity to ask for feedback, the good and the bad. At the end of an election, we're asking, hey, what did we do well? What did we not do well? Where can we better serve you?
The ideal situation seems to be to put the case out there, lift the lid off, and have everything the way you want it, and then put the lid on at the end of the day and take it away. But then there's things that you don't think about in the beginning. Like maybe we have somebody near the back of the line who needs an address change, and they may not even be able to check in here. They need to get to some other polling place, and we don't want to have them waiting all the way till they get the front to find out that, to go wait in some other line somewhere else. So wouldn't it be great if you could take the tablet out, bring it to that person, or bring it to the person outside in their car, and allow them to vote curbside if they need assistance.
Going to meet an ADA voter that has difficulty getting into the polling place, or drive-up voting.
It could live in that mode on battery for over an hour, and then you could plant it back in the base.
We do all of our charging through the stand.
As voters are checking in at one polling location across town is going to know, okay, that voter just voted, so if they try to show up and double vote, we know. They communicate in real time.
Should the communication with the internet fail, that information will stand by until the internet is restored, and then it automatically sends that data up, so it keeps it up to date. The election official or the technicians don't have to do anything. Inasmuch as that our EViD was first used in 2004, the first electronic poll book used in elections in the United States, and we've been in continuous use since, we are the electronic poll book with the longest tenure.
VR has predominantly been in Florida, and we expanded into Indiana and Illinois and North Carolina and Texas. They have drastically different needs and procedures that we have to adapt and meet as they tell us what they need. We're like, okay, get that done, because there's different state law.
We've gathered more information used in more elections across the United States than any other poll book vendor. We're celebrating our 30th year, so we're not new to the game, we just might be new to you.
The adoption's pretty quick. It usually looks pretty similar to a paper poll book operation. It's just now they're connected and talking to each other and delivering information back to the main office. We try to work closely with the customer to figure out what is the best means to adopt EViD, and comprehensive training of the staff that's going to be involved in administering the elections and training poll workers and all those kinds of things. And then also guidance from the management team on what are recommended procedures.
The industry is better when everyone works together to improve elections as a whole. Everything from how we design our products to how we support our customers to the security that we provide throughout the system. So that's the role that we play. It's our job to help make elections better, and we want to do that with our customers.